Hey everyone, I'm going to be opening the Oneleaf NV400. It's actually the X5 replacement. It took maybe a good 2 weeks to get, but it is finally here. So let me show you right there as I do the unboxing. Uh, Here. Now this is a night vision. It comes with the um, ballistic range. Actually, not ballistic. The rangefinder, and it also has the infrared torch in there. And I do want to use this box to return the NV1, the other scope from ATN, because I think I'm done with it. So this is my go-to now, and I actually bought not just one but two of these guys. And the reason for that is because I have a second rifle, which I need it for. As you can see, I got scoped right here, and it's not cool. So, there's one, and two Oneleaf commanders. So, I'll put the other one away while I get this open. There it is, 4K recording, Oneleaf. I think they have pretty good customer service. I had bought the NV100 before, and I actually wanted it replaced, but they actually sent me a full refund. So I had to try different places, and I kind of go with the rule is you find something good, you stick to it. Okay, so that's my rule. And every time I deviate from it, I get disappointed, and I come back to what works. And that's it right there. Oh yeah. Woohoo! It doesn't say that it has a ballistic calculator on the box, but hopefully it's the one that has it. All right, comes with your manual and a battery installation guide. So it looks like I'll be installing the battery for the infrared. Got a little cleaner. Ooh, okay. And oh, something popped out of there. It's the extra. I think you have a. I guess this was somewhere here, maybe. And it comes with a battery charger. Let's see, make it a little bit lower, or I'll put it a little bit farther back here. All right, so here's extra scope rings. Or eye reliefs, and comes with the gravity thing here. It's pretty heavy, pretty sturdy, solid. Oh yes, there it is. And I guess the little tag that says I need to remove this. Please remove this mount and reinstall it correctly. Okay, sure, I'll do that. And you get the little flippy deal. All right. Oh, that's cool. That has this little relief here to if you want more reflective whatever, so you don't get reflection off of it or whatnot. And there it is. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I like that the scope rings are already mounted on there, so I don't have to worry about centering it. All I do is just slap it right on. But I think I need to adjust it now because it's upside down. I need to put this on the bottom, so I need to rotate that. I guess that's okay. That's okay. Good thing for storage and packaging. And it should be like so. Alright, so I will do some more demonstrations on it. Let's see what else is on here. We got the torch. That's supposed to mount somewhere on top or on the other side of this. Somewhere on the other side. Oh yes, it's supposed to like mount right here something like that, like so, but pointing the other way. But yeah, it's very solid. I think it's actually pretty good. You get your USB cables, yes, USB or your HDMI cables, and your USB C cables. Comes with a little uh, Allen wrench to tighten it onto your thing. All right, so that's it. I think the battery. Where is the battery? I guess the battery is already in here. It's a 50. I think I have a an 18650 that I'm gonna put on there instead of this battery here. Mainly because I liked to get this little shorter one. I think what they did was they gave you you want to put a bigger battery like one of these guys. You can then use the bigger scope cover, and I think you should be able to put your 18650 in there. And let's see if it turns on, because it's already charged. That would be awesome if it is. Alright, let's see this. Power it on. Put on the side. Let's see if it turns on or not. Oh, it does. Wow, look at that. 18650 powered. So anyway, it's got the Oneleaf logo on there. You probably can't really see it that good. And I got the let me get this thing turned on. You can really see my hand in there, maybe. I don't know. Cool. So that's exciting. And I'll be able to adjust the zoom, the focus on it. I can see that there's a picture-in-picture already set up. Alright, looks pretty good. Alright, awesome. There it is, 18650 all the way. Don't need to worry about this small little battery here, even though you can use it. And it does come, it's already charged at 90%. But I like the full 18650 battery. Stick with that. And if anything, there's internal 18650s on here, and you can adjust your far and near right here. Focus. Let's see if we can bring it in a little bit. I don't know how near you can bring it, but near. Yeah, still. It was very clear, real crisp. Sounds good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. It's really solid. I'll do some more videos on how it looks like and some as I practice with the FX Impact and also the Creedmoor, 6.5 Creedmoor. I will be using that, and I'll put the other one on the other one, and we'll go from there. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. And this just kind of screws right on to the edge of this, and that's how you put that on. And then you have your eye relief so that it's not so bright at night. Done. Cool. Alright, guys. Talk to you then.